Have you ever stood up from your favorite chair and felt your legs tremble almost without reason? Or has climbing just a few simple stairs suddenly felt like scaling a formidable mountain? I understand that feeling, my friends. That quiet, often frustrating sense that your own body isn't quite keeping up, especially after 60. It can be disheartening, even a little scary, wondering if you're losing the steady stride you once had. But I am here today to share a profound and hopeful truth with you. You can absolutely regain that steady, confident feeling in your legs. It's not just an inevitable part of getting old. Very often, it's a sign of a deficiency that thankfully can be addressed. I'm Dr. Christopher Wilson, and here at Healthy Steps Seniors, your trusted guide to living a vibrant, strong, and fulfilling life after 60, we're committed to bringing you science-backed solutions. Today, we're going to uncover how 3 simple yet incredibly powerful vitamins can help restore that vitality. Please stay with me, because what you're about to hear, backed by solid research, could truly change your daily life. As the years gently unfold, our legs are often the first place we feel the quiet whispers of time. Perhaps it's a little wobble as you cross the living room, or a subtle heaviness that slows your pace. This isn't just an inevitable part of aging. Very often, it's a sign of muscle loss or sarcopenia, silently impacting your strength. This feeling can sometimes shrink your world, making you hesitate to go out and do the things you love, to connect with the world around you. But here at Healthy Step Seniors, I've seen countless individuals turn this around. They reclaimed their strength not with a magic pill, but by giving their bodies the precise nutrients they needed. Today, we're going to explore 3 quiet heroes: vitamin D, B12, and B1. Together, they can help restore your legs' power and confidence in a matter of weeks. Let's walk through this together with practical, science-backed tips and inspiring stories to guide you. 1. Vitamin D, the anchor for strong legs. So many seniors I've had the privilege to meet feel unsteady, as if their legs just won't cooperate. This is where vitamin D, our first hero, comes in. Picture it as an anchor, steadying your bones and muscles. As we gracefully age past 60, our bodies find it harder to naturally produce vitamin D from sunlight, and our digestive system can absorb less of it from food. This can leave your legs feeling weak and your balance shaky, significantly increasing the risk of falls, a fear none of us wants to face. But with the right approach to supplementation, you can begin to feel truly grounded again. Let me tell you about Linda, a wonderful 67-year-old from Colorado. She adored the crisp mountain air, but started to feel her knees buckle on even short walks. A simple blood test, as recommended by her doctor, revealed she was very low in vitamin D. After starting a carefully monitored supplement regimen, within a month, Linda was back on her favorite trails, feeling stronger and much more confident. Medically speaking, this isn't just anecdotal. Studies from reputable sources like the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlight how vitamin D boosts calcium absorption, which is crucial for strengthening both bones and muscle fibers. A significant Harvard study even found that seniors with low vitamin D were 40% more likely to experience falls. So, what's the practical takeaway for you? Practical tip. Dosage. For most seniors, starting with 800 to 1,000 IUs of vitamin D3 daily is a good general guideline. If you have a history of falls or feel particularly frail, definitely talk to your doctor about possibly increasing to 1,500 to 2,000 IUs. They can guide you best. Timing. Remember to take your vitamin D3 capsule with breakfast. Pairing it with foods containing healthy fats like a boiled egg, a spoonful of Greek yogurt, or a drizzle of olive oil helps your body absorb it more efficiently. Who needs it most? If you spend a lot of time indoors, experience chronic joint pain, or follow a plant-based diet, prioritizing your vitamin D intake is especially important. Getting your levels checked with a simple blood test every 6 to 12 months is a very smart way to stay safe and ensure you're in the optimal range. 2. Vitamin B12, the bridge for better balance. Now, strength is one thing, but coordination is another. What good is physical strength if your brain and your feet aren't communicating properly for smooth, confident movement? I've seen many seniors gently brush off tingling feet or a slight wobble in their steps as just getting old. But very often, these are quiet signals of a vitamin B12 shortage. Think of vitamin B12 as the essential bridge connecting your brain to your leg muscles, ensuring smooth, confident, and coordinated movement. Low levels can manifest as numbness, weakness, or even a subtle brain fog, making every step feel uncertain and less secure. Restoring adequate B12 can truly bring back your stability and peace of mind. Let me share Robert's story. Robert, a vibrant 70-year-old from Georgia, found himself struggling to stand without grabbing furniture, and he noticed a strange buzzing sensation in his feet. The hidden culprit was a vitamin B12 deficiency. After discussing it with his doctor and taking a daily B12 supplement, Robert felt his legs literally wake up within weeks. Now he's back to dancing with his wife at community events, a testament to regaining that lost connection. This isn't just one story, it's a pattern supported by research. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that seniors with low B12 had poorer balance and a significantly higher fall risk. So, how do we rebuild this crucial bridge? Practical tip: the right form. When choosing a supplement, look for 500 to 1,000 mcg of methylcobalamin daily. This is the active form your body uses easily. Sublingual tablets, which dissolve under the tongue, are particularly excellent for seniors, especially if you have digestive issues that might impair absorption. Timing. I recommend taking B12 with lunch to help boost your daytime energy. Try to avoid coffee or tea an hour before and after your B12 dose, as they can sometimes reduce absorption. Who's at risk? If you're vegetarian or vegan, regularly use antacids, take the common medication metformin, or have underlying digestive issues like Crohn's or celiac disease, you are more likely to need B12 supplementation. Always discuss this with your doctor. 3. Vitamin B1, thiamine, the spark for your energy. Now, we've anchored our strength with vitamin D and built a bridge for our balance with vitamin B12. But what about the pure, essential fuel, that feeling of effortless movement? Nothing is more disheartening than feeling your legs drag after what should be a short, enjoyable walk. That's precisely where vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, comes in. It's the vital spark that fuels your muscles with the energy they need to move smoothly and powerfully. Many seniors can be low in thiamine due to certain medications like diuretics, or simply from a diet lacking in whole grains. This deficiency can leave your legs feeling heavy, tired, and just plain sluggish. Replenishing it can truly make movement feel effortless and joyful again. Think of Anna, a lovely 66-year-old from Arizona. Even the few steps to her own porch felt like climbing a mountain. Her doctor, after a thorough checkup, linked her profound fatigue to low thiamine levels, likely caused by her blood pressure medication. After incorporating a daily thiamine supplement, Anna felt lighter, and within days she was once again enjoying her evening walks with her neighbor. Such a simple change, such a big impact. The connection is clear. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that a significant percentage of seniors had low thiamine levels, directly linked to weaker legs and persistent fatigue. So, how do we relight that vital spark for your energy? Practical tip: dosage. If you're experiencing persistent fatigue or weakness in your legs, consider taking 50 to 100 milligrams of thiamine daily after consulting your healthcare provider. Timing: take thiamine with breakfast. Try to pair it with foods like oatmeal or a slice of whole grain toast for optimal absorption. Who needs it? It's particularly wise to check your thiamine levels if you regularly use diuretics, metformin, or consume alcohol. If your diet consists mostly of processed foods, or if you have diabetes, you're also at a higher risk of deficiency. Your doctor can provide precise guidance. Putting it all together, your daily vitamin routine for stronger legs. So we have our 3 heroes for stronger, steadier, and more energetic legs: vitamin D, B12, and B1. How do we bring this powerful trio together seamlessly into your daily life for the best results? It's simpler than you might think. It's all about strategic timing to maximize absorption and benefit. Vitamin D3. Take this in the morning, right after a breakfast that includes some healthy fat like Greek yogurt, an egg, or a few slices of avocado. Vitamin B1. Take this with your first meal of the day as well, ideally a healthy breakfast featuring whole grains and protein. Vitamin B12, take this around midday or early afternoon. This timing can give you a nice, sustained energy lift throughout the day. Just try not to take it too late in the evening, as it can sometimes interfere with sleep for some individuals. Remember to also avoid coffee or tea for about an hour before and after your B12 dose to aid absorption. Here's a simple example of what your morning and midday routine could look like. Breakfast: enjoy a small bowl of Greek yogurt with a boiled egg. Take your vitamin D3 and vitamin B1 capsules with this meal. Lunch: have some steamed vegetables with grilled salmon or tofu. Take your vitamin B12 tablet or sublingual melt afterward. A quick note on multivitamins. Be sure to read the label carefully. Many senior formulas unfortunately don't contain enough of these specific key nutrients to make a real, noticeable difference in your leg strength and energy. And remember this important truth from Healthy Steps seniors: more is not always better. Always consult your doctor or pharmacist and strictly follow the recommended dose, especially if you have chronic health conditions or are taking any other medications. Your healthcare team is your best partner in this journey. And this brings me to my final and perhaps most important point today: your safety. Your well-being is the #1 priority. So let's have a quick, essential chat about how to approach these supplements responsibly. First, don't increase the dose on your own. I know it's tempting to think more is better, especially when you're eager for results, but please listen closely to this advice from Healthy Steps seniors. You will not get results faster if you take double or triple the recommended dose. In fact, it could even be harmful. Trust the process and stick to the prescribed or recommended amount from your doctor or a trusted healthcare professional. Second, be mindful of kidney or liver issues. Your kidneys and liver are remarkable organs, responsible for breaking down and removing excess vitamins from your body. If you have any existing kidney or liver conditions, it is absolutely essential to consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially fat-soluble vitamins like D3. They need to ensure it's safe for your unique health situation. Next, watch for side effects. It's easy to dismiss small changes, but make it a habit to truly listen to your body. For instance, very high doses of some B vitamins over many months can sometimes cause subtle tingling or numbness. Too much D3 can lead to headaches or muscle cramps. If anything feels off or unusual, speak up and discuss it immediately with your doctor. Finally, check your blood levels regularly. Getting a basic blood test every 6 to 12 months is a smart idea if you are taking D3 or B12 long term. This simple step is how you and your doctor can ensure you are consistently staying in that perfect optimal range, keeping you safe and ensuring the supplements are truly effective. It's all about being the captain of your own health ship, navigating with reliable data. My friends, I know how challenging it can be to feel your legs weaken. It can subtly but surely steal your confidence and diminish your joy in daily activities. But please know, you are not alone, and this is absolutely not the end of the road. Remember the powerful trio we discussed today. Vitamin D is your anchor for strength. Vitamin B12 is your bridge for better balance. And vitamin B1 is your spark for lasting energy. Together, they form a powerful team, ready to help you walk, climb, and live with renewed ease and confidence again. Your first empowering step today? Talk to your doctor. Share what you've learned here on Healthy Steps Seniors. Ask about getting your vitamin levels tested. And then consider thoughtfully incorporating these simple yet profoundly impactful changes into your routine. And now, I truly want to hear from you. Share your story in the comments below. Have you ever felt stronger or more energetic with supplements? What is the one thing you would absolutely love to do again with stronger, more confident legs? Every story shared here is a beacon of hope, a light for someone else in our wonderful Healthy Steps Seniors community. If you found this conversation helpful and inspiring, please click that subscribe button and join our growing Healthy Steps Seniors family. We will keep walking this path to better health together, one steady, confident step at a time. Thank you for your valuable time. Be well.